What's our favorite thing about composting? It has to be all the microorganisms that we get to experience and find in the warm castings when we are getting the final decomposition. And in this case, I think you guys can see the small creatures that are crawling. But the highlight of it all, it has to be the red tiger worms. So that's what we are sorting out at this point so that we can use them into the next compost pile that we are going to create. But we find them to be very, very fascinating. And these creatures, look at them. Thanks to them, all the organic matter from the kitchen waste that we had has been broken down into actual soil. And it's so rich in nutrients, so rich in a lot of life. And it's impressive, like what they are able to do. It's really, really impressive. Being able to break down avocados, being able to break down cut flowers, banana peels. Yeah, honestly, really, really impressive. Props to them.